Hey, what's up guys? Wolf here, and today we are playing some more Parkitect. We last left off where it was a little bit different. Alright, it was different. But as you can see, we got 77 people in here now. We got two nice rides that are different. We got all this that's different and stuff. But I was trying to terraform or something and just mess around with it, make like a lake right here. And then it like messed up the fence all right here and stuff, and so I had to pretty much like start over, but I got to the same spot we were, two same rides, just different colors and stuff. But I'm thinking today I want to make a ride somewhere right here, so let's figure out which ride we want to put right there. So we already got the Gravitron, we got the, no, we don't got a carousel actually. Teacup? Yeah, let's go ahead and make the teacups right there. Maybe. Yeah, just like for a little kiddie ride. Just for right now. Sure, we can put it right there. Let's see here. Nobody's gonna pay that much for some teacups. But let's see. No, the entrance can be like... The entrance could be over here. Yeah, we'll connect it right there. Let me move this out the way. Alright, the entrance could be right there. The exit can be right there. There we go. So now we just gotta change the ride's colors because that's ugly. Yeah, that looks good, that looks good. Alright, so now, let's see. General stats, no, we don't want none of that. We just want to, maintenance, alright, we got maintenance. So, yeah, let's just go ahead and open it. Oh wait, open. Alright, it's open. Oh, we probably need to make that cheaper. Let's make that cheaper real quick. Let's put it at $1. Think people will pay $1? Yeah, people probably pay $1. So we'll do it for $1. And now we need some pass. Let's see. Will this work? Sure will. Alright. Go ahead and come out this way. Bang, there we go. Now people can go in. Let's go ahead and change this color to somewhere in the middle. Are you kidding? Hold on, let me see if this is the right color. Yeah, it's a little darker. There. Alright. Sorry, peoples. I know it's a little bit too bright, so let's go ahead and bang. There we go. Alright, so now we got the maroon going on. Let's move around like this, right? Yeah. So it looks like the carousel's doing good. Benches are going well. Food. People don't have any places to poop and stuff, so let's see. Do their little business. So let's see. There are any bathrooms? I might be looking in the wrong place. Toilets. There we go. Where can we put a shitter? Not that way. We don't want one by a ride. Oh, sure, we'll put a shitter right there. Alright, there's a shit. Oh, see, I knew that dude had shit. Alright. We changed the color. What? You can't go in there. We got a big line waiting for the teacups. It's open, ain't it? No? Oh, alright, it is open. It's open. Okay, so let's kind of decorate it a little now. Let's see. And we could add like a little tree. What? Why is this messed up like that? It's supposed to be in nature. Alright, we got us a fir tree. Let's go ahead and put one right there. Maybe get to the little ones. Where in the world? Fir is small. Let's get another one. Different color though. Like a little bit darker. Alright, let's go put you right there. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. Maybe put like a log in front of it all. Get it to where it won't delete anything. Yeah, that'll work. It kind of doesn't look all that, but it'll be fine. Now, let's get some rocks. Where are the rocks? Let's put this way. Let's get a rock. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed that ride. I don't know why y'all would, but hey, it's whatever. I'm gonna put that there. Alright, it's starting to look all good. You know, kind of add like a rounded front to it. Alright, that looks actually pretty good, not even gonna lie. Alright, so now let's get like a bench going on here. There we got some benches going on. Yeah, that looks great actually. Not gonna lie. So now let's put like lamp post. Wait, you can't put that there? Whatever. I don't think we have light posts yet, so we're good. Alright, so there's our lamp post. So that should keep it to where it'll be all good and lit up. So now, what else could we really do? One ride's not that much. Alright, so let's get some more paths going here. This work. Alright, let's get some more paths going on right here. I'll be right back. Alright, what's up guys? We're back. And this is kind of like a little design I came up with. And this is like what we're going to do here. So let's go ahead and do this little idea for like a little nature walk thing I had. So let's put some fir trees up, you know, just to kind of set that mood. We need it in the middle of each block. So let's get that one, 'cause that one can have like a wall. Let's get like a smaller one. Alright, that'll work. Small dark one. And maybe like a bigger red or maroon or burgundy, whatever. Because it kind of adds with the park, you know? Alright, so there's a bigger red one. So now let's put 2 dark green. No, let's put the little one right there. So let's put a dark green one right here. Let's put a little green right there. And maybe like a big brown. Maybe. How does the brown look? Alright, brown looks decent. Brown looks good. So now we can just put like a log right there or something. So let's put like, let's see, they should have them here. I should. I have some right there, yeah. So let's see if I can find them. So I have, alright, right there. Tree stumps. And we can just put stumps there, you know, to make it look like there was a tree there. You gotta put a little one right there. Just add a little different. Alright, let's put that there. You don't even have to be symmetrical. Just put 3 random ones, or 3 big ones, and there could be a little one right there, like there's a little tree. And then now, just trying to change the angle here, so let's go this way. There we go. So now, we put some benches for this little nature walk, or trail thing. Let's kind of put them with the logs, so people don't get ticks, you know, just the usual. And middle one right there. And then we could put put a light post on each side. Next, it'll get dark in a nature walk thing. Wait, is that, yeah, it's the same kind as the other one. So let's put it right there. Right there, maybe? Yeah, it's matched up. Alright, so now we need some trash cans. Where are the trash cans? What ones do we have over there? We have those, alright. Let's go ahead and put one on each end. Alright, that will work. Alright, so now we have that done. Let's go ahead and put a ride in between right there. So let's put like a cool ride. Let's put like let's see, what's a cool ride we could put there? I'm thinking maybe this spiral slide. How big is this? Oh yeah, this will work. It kind of adds, it actually looks really cool with that. Sure, let's change this up. Let's see what it looks like with that. Alright, that looks great actually. So now, this one's going to be decently expensive. We're going to charge $2 on this one. At least. Think people will pay $2? I hope so. Let's put the entrance right here. Yeah, that could be the entrance, and the exit can be right there. So now, it's gonna be close for right now, so we gotta put this. We gotta change the color up more though. We gotta put it in the middle. You know the drill. Oh, we gotta close this right there. Alright, so now we go bang, bang, bang. There we go. Entrance and exit. There we go. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now let's see. What can we put? We put some. Let's make like, let's put something different right there. Let's put something big. Maybe like a giant rock won't work. Actually, let's see if it will. Maybe. Alright, let's see how much. Alright, we put that there just to see how it'll be. Let's get some trees real quick. Alright, we can get like that dead tree look. Get some small dead trees. Maybe get like a small little tree right there. Gotta get another small dead tree just because it messed it up. And then maybe some ball rush. Alright, yeah, that looks great. Alright, so we're gonna call it here for right now. And I think we did all the detailing and stuff. We'll just add some more, rides around, but welcome to Jaded Park, or Jaded Galaxy Park. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. Let's go ahead and zoom out and see what we have so far. Oh wait, you can't just drag. Alright. Well, this is our park so far. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a like down below. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys later in the next video. Peace out.